Hi, Steve from Elite Auto Electronics, and I'm here to show you a new product that's available that allows you to put push-button start on just about any vehicle that uses a regular key, such as this 2012 Hyundai Sonata. As you can see, you have the original key and keyless entry system, and that gets replaced with what's called an RFID key. Now, what this key allows you to do is not only give you push-button start capability, but what's called passive keyless entry. And what you'll notice is, as I walk up to the vehicle, without pushing any buttons, the doors automatically unlock for me. And again, as I walk away from the vehicle, they relock. The other thing that this key will allow me is remote start function. And again, as I walk up to the vehicle without pushing any buttons, the system unlocks the doors for me, and I simply get in the vehicle. Here's our push button start. Simply press that once, step on the brake, and we're good to go. If you have any questions on this system, just check us out on Facebook or on the website at www.eliteautoelectronics.com. Thanks for watching.